자, 안녕하세요. 저 이름은 백실라입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 저는 나이 사람이에요. 19살입니다. 잘 지내보자. 이해하기 어렵다. 그치? 네, 맞아요.
Hold on. Can we switch the language?
Hi, I am Priscilla Serrano Rindain, graduated at Dikiliwag National High School under the Humanities and Social Science branch. Since I was a child, I've had a soft spot for cats, but this is not about my cat, because this is about me, and me. I am now in my second year of college in Camarines Norte State College, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. 2016 was the beginning of my obsessions in Korean dramas. To relieve my anxiety, I watch it whenever I have any spare time. Each episode taught me something new and gave me hope for the future, so I became hooked onto it. I was also taken aback by its storyline because no matter how hard you try, you will never be able to guess how it will end. The first ever K-drama I watched is Descendants of the Sun, and the most recent one is Our Beloved Summer. So basically, traveling to Korea is one of my bucket lists right now. I also have a small library of fictional works because reading has been an interest of mine since 2016. I also like to take some random photos, especially with me, with my cat. Okay, I'll stop talking about my cat now. My family likes to go to beach and go biking. Sometimes I feel like the time is fleeting as fast as speed of light. Anyway, speaking of time, I am now 19 years old, and in 10 years, I'll be 29 years old. Honestly, I don't know what will happen when the time comes. All I know is this is me right now. So, that's me. Ups, I'm not done yet. I will tell you something that only few people will. So, consider yourself lucky. Just kidding. Since I can offer some talent in sport, let me just offer this so-called talent for you.